Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the...
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is She. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for making sure that your notification bell is on. Thank you so much for liking this video. I do not take that for granted. So in this video, I am going to be doing a continuation of the previous video that I did, unboxing video. It was supposed to be one video, but for some reason, I do not know what happened. It's like I lost that footage, and then I realized that the video was going to be so long, so I decided to split it into two. And in the previous video, I did the unboxing of some presents I got from Australia. The video will be right here just in case you haven't watched it. And I also promised that we are going to be doing the unboxing of some products that I got from Olive Oil Kenya and also Dew Point Natural. So this video is actually a continuation of the previous video. So in case you didn't watch that video or you watched it and you forgot, I just want to show you guys where we left from. So let's have a look at where we left from and then we can continue.
I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide, hold tight.
So that's it from DHL. Let's see what I got from Dew Point Naturals, and then we finish with the Olive Oil Kenya. So now that you know where we left from and we are in the same page, I'm just gonna go straight and start unboxing the Dew Point Natural products. These are hair products. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen a photo of these products, but maybe you don't know what they are. And if you do not follow me on Instagram, my handle will be right here. So let's connect on Instagram as well, because when I am not posting on YouTube, I am posting on Instagram. So first of all, let's look at the packaging. I know you can't read it because the words are inverted, but it's just their logo, and then it's written Dew Point Naturals, shea butter, cocoa butter, African black soap, essential oils, natural body products, natural hair products. And they have their Instagram handle, WhatsApp, Facebook, yeah, and the packaging is really beautiful. I love it so much. And I don't know if I love it because it's black. I feel like it represents me, a black woman. So it's very cute. So the first thing that was in that bag is this coconut oil, hair and body. It is extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil. I can tell that it is original coconut oil because it solidifies. It smells so good. It solidifies. I don't like coconut oils that do not solidify. I don't even think they are original, but this one I can tell it's original. The second thing that I got is this leave-in hair treatment for my dreadlocks. If you do not use treatments on your hair, I don't know what you use, guys, but for healthy hair I like to use treatments, and leave-in treatment is the best for me. So I'm so glad that they actually gave me this leave-in treatment. Oh, thank you so much. Another product that I really love, and I was so happy to receive it, is olive oil. How did they even read my mind? I really wanted olive oil, but I am so happy to get it, and it is 100% extra virgin. Last thing I got is this African shampoo, African black soap shampoo, yeah? African black soap shampoo, yes. It is for natural hair, dreadlocks, and relaxed hair. So this will come in handy for my dreadlocks so much. My dreadlocks are just about to pop. You think my dreadlocks are pretty? You ain't seen nothing yet. So that's it for Dew Point Naturals, and now we are going to be unboxing the Olive Oil Kenya package. Let us first appreciate how beautiful this is. And yo, hang on, it is blue and some gold and white. And do you guys realize that I'm wearing blue? My nails are blue and my headband is blue. So yeah, I love it. I love it so much. It is very feminine. Look at the colors. Oh my god, so beautiful. So the first thing that is in this box is olive oil, and this is Sheen spray. This is so cute. I really love it. And also, wow. And they also have this a tiny one, which is really good for when you're traveling. So I really love it. This one I can just use in the house, and this one I can use when traveling. I just throw it into my bag, and yeah, this is cool. I love it. It is a mother and a baby. The second thing I got is this olive oil with black castor and coconut oil. Moisture Lock Detangle spray. So this is a spray, and it has 3 key ingredients, which is black castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. Wow, this is so cute. So how to use it: you remove the top, of course, and then you put it at a few centimeters, and then just spray it. Oops, it's not coming out. Oh, yeah, it's come out. But you know what I mean. You just don't put it so close. You put it just some few centimeters away from you, and the bottle is very nice, as you can see. So you just put it on your scalp and then all over your hair, and then you just massage it, and you're ready to go. The third product that I got is this olive oil with black castor and keratin. Oh my god. Sheer Strength Braid Spray. It is a hairspray as well. Anti-breakage Supreme Shine. I am always for that Supreme Shine. I love it when my hair shines, you know. This will come in handy. To use it as well, you just put it like 15 centimeters away from you, and then spray, massage, you're good to go. Let's continue, guys. I got distracted and then I started eating mabuyu. So nice. So yeah, another thing is this olive oil with black castor and aloe vera scalp and braid cleanse dry shampoo. This is how it looks like. It's clear like water, but because it says it's a dry shampoo, the best way to use it is by just putting it on your scalp. You can see the top is really nice. The nozzle will allow you to distribute the product all over your scalp and hair. And then you can take some cotton pads or a dry towel and then just rub the excess products. And that's it. Last but not least, we have this olive oil with black castor and almond oil soothing scalp balm. So maybe when you are done using... What happened there? Almost got it into my eye. Oh my god. Anyway, I was saying that this is a scalp balm. So after using this, you can go ahead and put the scalp balm. It smells so good. Oh my god. It's because I've put it on my face, so now I can't smell it. I don't know if it's good for the face, but anyways, it's supposed to be dry shampoo for the hair, not for the face, but I had a little accident. The last product is this black castor oil, which is my favorite product. Strengthening hair oil for braids, protective styles, natural hairstyles. You just apply it on your scalp and then you massage your hair. That's how you use it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, let me know what you think down on the comment section. If you use any of these products as well, just let me know. And I will catch up with you guys next week on my next video. I post a video or 2 every week. So I'll see you then. Until next time, bye.
Hold tight.